So, so my dear friends, hope you are all well. And today we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. In our previous class, we have seen the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes, and now today we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of which IUPAC of ketones. So, ketones. So, what is the main formula of IUPAC nomenclature of ketones? If the parent chain is alkane, so it will be alkane plus one, alkane plus one, ketones, one from ketones, and it combines, it gives alkanone, alkanone, alkanone. As for example, so here it is CH3 CO CH3. So identify the keto group. Which one is keto group? The keto functional group is like this: carbon double bond oxygen, and the two sides of that carbon atom is free to combine with any other alkyl group. So here this is the carbonyl carbon, aesthetic carbon is the carbonyl carbon, and it is combined with the two methyl groups from two sides. Okay, so including the carbonyl carbon atom, it is very important to remember the including the carbonyl carbon, the total number of carbon atom is 3. So including the carbonyl carbon, total number of carbon atom is 3. So 3 means what will be the prefix? So it will give prop, that is propane, propane plus one, that means it will give propanone, propanone. Okay, it will give propanone. So you may think about the numbering, but my dear friend, here the ketone is symmetric. Why I coined the term, why I use the term symmetric? Look, the two sides of the asterisk carbon atom is same. That means the two sides of the keto group is this is the that group is keto group, and its two sides are same. Okay, that means it is a symmetric ketone. Why it is symmetric? The two sides of the keto carbon atom is same. Here it is methyl. The two sides of the keto carbon atom is attached with methyl group. That means it is a symmetric ketone. Okay. So here the question of numbering the carbon atom does not arise. Why? Because look, here the carbon atom, total number of carbon atom is 3. the total number of carbon atom in our present example, the total number of carbon atom is 3. And the students, don't miss any single second of this class. Go through the class continuously. Okay. So total number of carbon atom is 3, no doubt. Okay. So here it is the keto group, and the two sides will be attached, should be attached with the alkyl group. And as the total number of carbon atom is 3, so that keto group should be present middle. If it is present any of the side like this, then total number of carbon atom is 3 and it is fulfilled. So you cannot add any other extra alkyl group here, because it has already total 3 carbon atom. So this side cannot be attached with any other alkyl group yet. Okay. So if it is a 3 carbon atom, if the ketone consists of 3 carbon atom, I repeat, the carbonyl carbon or the keto group should be present middle, that is number 2 position. So you should not write 2 propanone on or propan 2 on. But in case of ketones having more than 4 carbon atom, if it is 4 carbon, that means if it has the 4 carbon atom, then here again that carbonyl group must be placed at the number 2 position. And you may ask, sir, if we count the carbon chain from here, from this side, then it is 3. But my dear friend, while numbering the long chain, you should start numbering where you can get the primary functional group earlier. If you start from here, then you get the keto carbon. Here the primary functional group is the keto group, and you will get the keto carbon atom at number 3. Okay. But if you start from this side, then you can get the keto carbon atom at number 2. So this is the right position to numbering the carbon chain. That means if you get the 4 carbon atom in a ketone, the keto group must be present at the second position. So here again you should not mention the exact number of the carbonyl group. That means it is, you can write only butanone. Don't write 2 butanone. You shouldn't write 2 butanone. It is noteworthy. Butanone is right. Okay. You don't write to mention the number, the position of the keto group. You shouldn't write, because it obviously it must be present at the second position. There is no other position vacant for that carbonyl carbon. Okay. So we move further. So what will be the IUPAC nomenclature of this? So what kind of compound it is? It is a ketone, because that group is present. It is a keto group. That group is keto group. That is it like this. So now start numbering. So numbering start from the carbon atom 1, the keto carbon atom 1, then from this side, because you get methyl group here, so you shouldn't go through from this side, it is wrong. You should get from this side, you should travel from this side. So 1 2, then 3 4, 5, 6. Okay, that means at the 2 carbon, at the second carbon you will get a methyl group. So you should first write the name of the substitution, that is 2 methyl, and here again there is a hyphen, there should be a hyphen between number and word, number and letter, sorry. So 2 methyl, total number of carbon is 6, and the structure, main structure is cyclic, so the one term will be there, cyclo, 2 methyl cyclohexanone, 2 methyl cyclohexanone, it should be 2 methyl cyclohexanone. Or next we, from this CH3 CH, this is CH3, and this is C double bond O, this is CH, CH3, and it is CH3, and we are going to write the IUPAC nomenclature of this structure. Obviously it is a ketone, and start numbering, and we will start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is 2 methyl group at 2 and 4 position. Okay, that means first 2 comma 4, and there is a comma between two number, 2 comma 4, total number of methyl group at 2 and 4 is 2, so dimethyl. Very frequently the students omit the term di, so di should be here, 2 4 2 4 dimethyl, total number of carbon is pentan. Here we will discuss up to the 4 number of carbon atom you should not write the number of the keto position, but more than 4 carbon atom you should mention the number of the keto position. So here the number of the carbon atom, the position of the keto carbon atom at 3, so 2 4 dimethyl pentan 3 on, it should be pentan 3 on, not E, pentan, not pentane, omit the term E, so it will be 2 4 dimethyl pentan 3 on. So and what will be the IUPAC nomenclature of CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. So here again start numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7. So there is 2 methyl group as 3 and 4 position. So at 3 and 4 position there is 2 methyl group at 3 and 5, sorry, 3 and 5. That means 3 comma 5 dimethyl, 3 comma 5 dimethyl, total number of carbon atom is 7, heptan, foron, heptan, foron. So here is some examples of IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. So hope you enjoyed and you learned something. In our next class, we will see the IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Okay. Till then, goodbye and all my love and blessings and my good wishes to all my dear students. Have a good day.